Good morning, sunshine.
Morning.
Ready for your glow?
Always. This feels so amazing. Thank you.
My pleasure.
It is perfect.
Have you ever wondered how brands are creating realistic AI influencer ads without hiring models, cameras, or expensive production teams? Well, the answer is Google Flow Agent. In this video, I'll show you my complete workflow for creating professional AI UGC ads using Google Flow, ChatGPT, and ElevenLabs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to generate high-quality AI advertisements in just a few minutes. Let's begin. The first step is choosing the right product. Instead of searching randomly, I usually visit Amazon bestsellers because these products already have proven demand and thousands of satisfied customers. That means they're much easier to market. For this demonstration, I'll be using a skincare product, but you can follow the same process for almost any niche. Once you've selected your product, it's time to create the advertising script. Open ChatGPT or Gemini and ask it to write a short, engaging UGC advertisement. A good script should always start with a strong hook, quickly explain the customer's problem, and introduce the product as the solution. Highlight the key benefits and end with a compelling call to action. The shorter and more natural your script sounds, the better your final AI video will look. Now comes one of the most important parts, creating your AI creator. Instead of copying a real influencer, find someone whose style inspires you on platforms like TikTok or Instagram. Take a screenshot and upload it into ChatGPT or Gemini. Ask the AI to describe the person's appearance in detail, then convert that description into a Google Flow image prompt. Paste the prompt into Google Flow, and within seconds you'll have a completely original AI character inspired by that style while remaining unique. To keep your character consistent throughout the video, save it inside Google Flow as a reusable character. Assign a voice, write a short personality description, and use the same character in every scene. This simple step makes your final advertisement look much more professional. Next, generate multiple reference images of your character from different angles. Create close-up portraits, medium shots, side profiles, and different facial expressions. These reference images help Google Flow understand exactly how your character should look in every scene. After that, combine those images into a character reference sheet. Think of it as an identity card for your AI model. This greatly improves consistency across your entire project. Now generate a realistic background where your creator will appear. It could be a bedroom, home office, beauty studio, or any environment that matches your product. Using one consistent location makes the advertisement feel much more natural. With your character and background ready, it's time to create the storyboard. Instead of writing separate prompts for every shot, ask ChatGPT to convert your script into a complete storyboard. It should include A-roll scenes where your AI creator speaks directly to the camera, B-roll shots showing the product, suggested camera angles, scene descriptions, and approximate timing. This structured storyboard becomes the blueprint for your entire advertisement. Now open Google Flow Agent to get started. Upload your character, reference sheet, background image, product link, advertising script, and storyboard. Google Flow analyzes everything together and automatically generates multiple video scenes. Instead of creating every shot manually, the AI builds the entire advertisement for you. If one scene doesn't look perfect, don't regenerate the whole project. Simply ask Google Flow to recreate that specific shot. This saves time, improves quality, and uses fewer generation credits. Once your visuals are finished, there's one final improvement you should make. Although Google Flow generates good voices, replacing them with ElevenLabs makes a huge difference. Export your video's audio, upload it into ElevenLabs, choose a realistic voice, and generate a more natural version. Replace the original audio with the new one, and your advertisement instantly sounds more emotional, expressive, and human. Finally, combine all your clips inside your favorite video editor.
Experience radiant, glowing skin every single day. Reveal your natural beauty.
And that's my complete workflow for creating realistic AI UGC ads using Google Flow Agent. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. Also comment prompts below if you'd like me to share all the prompts I used in this workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.